The UAE will continue to be the largest insurance market in the region, with a market size expanding to over 66 billion dirhams within 2 years from now. Takaful Emarat Insurance is in the process of transforming from a traditional insurance provider to one leading innovation. CEO Fadi Hindi told me about the scope of innovation at the moment.
There's a lot of insurtech companies now that are coming in and trying to offer new products and services or new ways of delivering products and services in the insurance industry. So I think that we're going to see a lot of disruption, new technologies being applied, digital products being delivered to customers, and really catering to the customer needs.
In your experience, is change good for a company, for it to move forward?
That's definitely the case. Obviously, you always want to make sure that you're introducing change, the right kind of change that's being introduced to propel the company forward and achieve its objectives. There are many different ways that you can go about change, obviously introducing change to companies.
So what's the best way then of implementing change directly so that the results are beneficial straight away?
I think that what we've experienced with Takaful Emarat this year, or the previous year in 2018, has been to start with cultural transformation first. You really need to make sure that the people that serve your customers have been transformed or changed themselves, the way that they think, operate, and behave. And then you look at automation and ways by which you can squeeze out inefficiencies in the way that you're processing things within the organization so that you can have better service for your customers. And then the third, probably the most important one for me, has been more of the customer experience and making sure that you look at journeys that are going to be fulfilling to your customers and that make them happy about getting your product and service.
What's the best way to transform a business so that it enters the digital age?
You start with people and changing the mindset by which you can say, by going digital, it's going to benefit everybody. And then you start introducing the automation by which you look at the processes and you look at reinventing the way these processes are being delivered. The biggest challenge that we experienced has been always in taking a classical process and trying to just get it digitized in a computer. That's not a very good way to go about it. What you got to do is you got to take a step back and say, if we're going to do this in a digital world, how should it be done? And this is how you would build it and then have your people that have that mindset operate that process for you.
What's your view on comparison websites in the insurance sector? I mean, do you think they're good, or do you think in the future customers will go direct to the insurer for the best deals?
I think it's yet to be seen. For the time being, the approach that we're taking is that we have to operate with all the different players in the market. We're going to be working with brokers. We'll be working with these aggregators, as well as we'll be offering our products direct. We already offer health insurance, both basic and comprehensive, direct on our website, tlife.ae. And we'll be offering general products as well, direct as well as through aggregators. So I believe that the market is going to accept all these different channels, and we just have to provide those products and services.